everybody, how are we all doing out there? I hope everyone is doing all right. Welcome back to my channel, A Life in High Definition, and thank you for spending your time with me. So I have another unboxing, and it is the period unboxing for the month. You know what it is, it's Pink Parcel time. Yeah, and this isn't just any ordinary Pink Parcel, it's a special one. So if you want to find out what's inside this beautiful box, then you know what you need to do. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and share this video. All right, let's get into it. Pink Parcel is a monthly period subscription which is $12.99 a month, and it has everything your heart could desire. So inside are pads or tampons or both, and you also get a box of goodies, which is what anyone really cares about. I myself, not even having periods right now, I'm donating my period products, but I get it just because I love what's inside. This is a special edition one, which is Processions 1918 to 2018, and it's all about women getting the vote, and that is why it's in these colours. These are the colours of the suffragettes, and yeah, so Pink Parcel have gone all out to make it special for us. I do have a code which I shall put up on screen, or a link, I'm not sure, code, link, something, and it gets you £3 off, I think. So I think your first box will be $9.99 if you want to use it. So Pink Parcel normally comes like this. Oh, see on the back it says deeds not words. Celebrating women and advocating movements that have made a difference to gender equality is something we passionately support. It's oh so important to forever champion and highlight the success and progression of women, both in the past and present, which is why we're dedicating this month's box to the centenary of women's right to vote, celebrating 100 years of women's suffrage in partnership with processions.co.uk. Also, it's an artichoke project and commissioned by 1418 to now. WW1, World War I Centenary Art Commissions. Oh dear. You see that? Yeah. Box normally comes like this. Pretty much always got something in here from HelloFresh or Ocado, and there's something from both of them in there. Brilliant. Open up our box, and it looks like this. It just says it's a monthly thing. We've got our Pink Parcel post, which is our little pamphlet, tells us things. Every month you get a little bag like this, which is great because you can put your period stuff in it. You can take it to work, put it in your car, take it to school, wherever you need your period products. And then we've got two other boxes for nighttime and for later to make sure you're covered. And this is what we care about. Let's put this down. Right, Pink Parcel post. Votes for Women Processions Parcel. It says, celebrating women and champion movements that have made a difference to gender equality is our jam, which is why we're dedicating this month's Pink Parcel to the centenary of women's right to vote. It's been 100 years since the first female marked that all-important ballot paper, and with the suffragettes at the centre of it all, we're showing our gratitude by using their iconic colours, green, white and violet, throughout June. But it's not just the power palette we're harnessing. This parcel, worth over £40, features products we love from female-founded brands that are here to make you feel empowered too. From self-esteem boosting skincare and look at me lip shades, feel confident to tackle whatever stands in your way, just like our sisters before us. How good is that? Just skipped past the bit where it tells me what's inside. It says our fave empowering podcasts. Now hopefully you'll be able to see this. So hard to show you. Hopefully saw them. Get It Off Your Breasts, Hashtag Girl Boss Radio, The High Low, Call Your Girlfriend, and Anna Faris is Unqualified. Never heard any of them, so I'm going to give them a go and listen to some of those. Deeds not words is the quote from Emmeline Pankhurst. And then what else have we got? Oh, and then it tells us something else. New in the organic pharmacy is a new brand to the Pink Parcel shop, because you can also go to the Pink Parcel shop and buy beauty products on there. Now we've done all the talking, it's time to get into the box. Oh, it looks pretty good. I'm excited. What is this? Every month you get a treat to eat, and you also get a tea bag, and this is this month's chocolate, or treat, could be something else, but it's often chocolate. Crunchy peppermint from Montezuma's milk chocolate, minted with crunchy peppermint. I don't know why I said that twice. So this is a sample size, I think. But you know what? It's milk chocolate, and it's a flavour I actually like. peppermint so I can actually have the chocolate for once. My poor husband, he thought he was going to get a chocolate treat. Not today. This is mine. Crunchy, minty, super rich and encased in one of this month's hero colours. Why not salute the suffragettes once more with your chocolate choice? Okay, let's move on. Now, I knew this was in here, so that is why I haven't got a lip product on. But we have this from the Beauty Crop, and it's got writing all over it. It says hashtag Girl Power Liquid Lipsticks, matte liquid lipstick. It's in the colour Pidaho. It's cruelty free, no parabens, no phthalates, it's vegan, it's gluten free, and it's nourished with shea butter and vitamin E, which is good for a liquid lip, especially if it's a matte one. It says an intensely pigmented liquid lipstick that's life-proof with serious staying power. Apply our creamy lipstick and allow the formula to set to a long-wearing matte look, delivering rich, uncompromising colour. Our formula is enriched with shea butter and vitamin E, providing you with a comfortable wear for hours that doesn't cake, flake or dry out, empowering you to take on the day. Celebrate your individuality with our to die for shades. Wow, look at this. That is beautiful. So we've got this beautiful like rose gold lid and writing with lips all over it, and it says the Beauty Crop, and then it says Girl Power on the back, and it says matte. I don't really know what the colour is because it's quite frosted. Ooh, look at that. It's like a slightly curved doe foot applicator there. Looks like a rich colour. Wow, that's like a kind of, I don't know what colour that is. It's like a browny, reddy, purpley colour. Like browny red. Right, I'm gonna have to sit with my feet up to be comfortable. Or at least less painful. So I'm going to move to lipstick lipstick applying position. Oh, it smells nice. Some kind of sweets or chocolate? I don't know. Actually, when it's like spread out on my lips, it looks kind of a lighter colour than this darkness that's on here. So maybe, I guess you can choose how dark you want it and how layered up you want it. So should have gone in with a lip liner. Now this is one of those really dark colours, so you can see it's a little bit patchy and it's not the same colour everywhere. I always struggle with these colours because the more I put on in a certain area, the more it looks funny. I'm not sure how I feel about this colour. It's just a little bit out of control. Maybe it looks better from here. What's it look like from here? Can I get away with it? Like the colour is nice. I think I prefer it slightly less dark. So maybe if I just done one application. You know what? I'm just going to take it off and try again. Okay, so let's try again. I've lined my lips this time. I am going to use as little as possible of the product because it's so strong. So I'm wiping it off. Okay, so that's a lot better, but it's still a little bit patchy. Well, we're going to see how it lasts. It's not quite touch proof yet. Let's touch this bit. I think the thicker you put it on, see, the more it will smudge. So obviously just try not to put it on too thick, which means does mean it will last you a long time. I do really like the colour. It just feels really out of control and difficult to use. What do you think? Is that acceptable? All right. However, this is a nice colour. So Beauty Crop says it's an intensely pigmented liquid lipstick that is life-proof with serious staying power. Apply our creamy lipstick to lips and allow the formula to set to a long-wearing matte look. Even on this picture, challenging looking. So there are like 13 shades in this set, and there are also like 14 shades and 4 metallic lip sets. Well, not lip sets, lips sticks. And you can get a kit which has got like 5 of them in for £39. We will see if this is kiss proof in a little while. Right, shall we move on? I've only done 2 things. I've been here forever. Oh. Right, let's get better position. Let's do the tea bag. And this is from Tea Pigs. How did they come up with that name? It's such a cute name, Tea Pigs. And this is Snooze Sleepy Tea. It's feel-good tea, naturally caffeine-free. What's special about it? Put down that phone, switch off your laptop and sit down. Feet up, breathe deep and close your eyes. What? No time for all that pre-bed relaxation? Then put on the kettle and enjoy this yummy blend of apple, lavender and chamomile, known to help maintain a healthy sleep. Light, a little sweet and flowery. Off to sleep you go. From Louise. We only use quality whole tea leaf, not the dust found in regular tea bags. Whole leaf is best. A tea worthy of worship belongs in our biodegradable tea temple, our spacious transparent mesh allowing maximum room for perfect infusion. Does smell nice. Oh, I noticed on the Tea Pig website that you can actually buy like bundles, so you can get sets of 2 of these and then other ones, I guess, if you wanted to create an array of Tea Pig tea bags rather than just buying 1 box of each type. Re-energise your body and mind with this soothing mix of chamomile, apple and lavender. Infused in boiling water, brew for 3 minutes. You have the perfect pre-bed blend. Might even try this tonight. Okay, what have we got next? Some more of these. We see them quite a lot. Bandies, deeds not words, and these are special ones. So it says women bring all voters into the world. That is true. Only women have the babies. Equality, the time is now. Votes for women and the female sign. This is a full-size set boasting the iconic suffragette shades green, white and violet, and emblazoned with empowering symbols. These special edition hairbands celebrate the centenary of the women's right to vote. And bandsy, the thing about them is that when you put them in your hair, they aren't supposed to tangle or get your hair knotted in them, and they're not supposed to leave a mark in your hair either if you tie your hair up with them. Right, what have we got next? Oh, like this. Haven't had this for a long time. This is from the Organic Pharmacy. It's antioxidant lip balm, soft and smooth. It's shea butter and rosehip to keep lips soft. This isn't actually a full-size product, but it is a perfect size product anyway. If I remember, it has a sloped thing here, and it's just like a little gel. You see that? Just slightly off colour gel. Don't worry, that's still pink from these lips. And it's nice. Oh, let's test them now. Very, very slight faint mark, but I guess that'll go in time. Not if I put that on my lips, it won't. It does smell faintly of rose, but I really like it. I found this really moisturising, and it's a nice way to add extra moisture even over a matte liquid lip. It does make it move though. As you can see, it made extra colour go on my lips, so it's not like it's going to stay put exactly, but it is nice. So I'm happy to see one of these. I haven't had one for a long time. Then we have this. What is this? Oh, I don't like this. Cinnamon Mint from Marvist toothpaste. What is this? Why would you do that? I don't like cinnamon, so I won't be enjoying this, but my husband does, so he might enjoy it. Let's see what it says. For fresh breath and whiter teeth, switch your regular toothpaste to this luxury Italian brand. This creamy and refreshing formula works to protect teeth and gums whilst preventing decay. Plus, it tastes amazing. Not amazing if you don't like cinnamon. Right, last item. Box is empty now. Oh, this looks fancy. This is from Vita Masks. You know, they make the good Korean masks, or they make masks that are Korean. I don't know if they're good. Sometimes they are. This is a rose gold mask made with real gold and rose extract, and it's the moisturised mask. A luxurious moisturising Korean face mask made with gold and rose powder to moisturise your skin. Inspired by Korean innovation, our ultra-thin fibre sheet designed to fit seamlessly on the face and enhance the moisture content within the mask, leading to an increased absorption rate within the skin. Animal cruelty-free, paraben-free, made in Korea. Okay, well, you know I love a mask, so I will be trying this out soon. So that is the end of our box. What do we think? Well, I like the mask. I like the lip product. I'm a bit scared of it, but I do like the colour. Wish it was a little easier to work with, but maybe there's some tips and tricks you can help me with. Love to have more of this. Always need more hairbands. I always do, so it's fine. This, oh, see, it doesn't like me. It's trying to escape me. Husband is going to enjoy. And I'm going to have my tea bag and my chocolate right after I finish filming. So another great box. I really like the theme. I think Pink Parcel have done a great job here, tying products together with colours and introducing us to new blogs, not blogs, podcasts. I think that is really good. So the total value of this box is Oh, they said it's over £40. I've got it at £35.10. So I don't know what the difference is, but mine's not including the pads. Theirs might be including the pads. And you know when you buy miniature sizes, I just take the full size and then do a percentage of that for the miniature. But you know, whenever you get it in a smaller size, it actually is a different price. Like this might be a tenth of the big one and then be £1, but actually the miniature version might be priced at £1.50 if you were to buy it. But they actually only put the prices in here of the full size item. So I'm not really sure about the price thing there, but either way, it's a great value box because it cost me £13, well, £12.99, and we have £35 plus pads worth of products. Just can't complain at that, can you? That is why I keep getting this box, because I really like the treats inside, and it's great value for money, and it enables me to help some other people out who don't have the necessary monthly accoutrements. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll join me next month for another Pink Parcel. I hope it was helpful to find out about June's Pink Parcel. And until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.